Hi there, my name is Paula and today I'm gonna test the window cleaning robot. The manual says that the product is called Sophinique, so I guess I'm gonna call the robot Sophinique. This is the main body. There's some extra cleaning rings and cleaning cloths. There's the power supply and power cord, a container and a remote control, and finally batteries for the remote control. So here it is. This is the size, it's quite light, I think. It has a plug here for the power supply and then a safety thread as well. And while it's working, apparently you need to have the power supply in. I didn't know that from the beginning. It said something in the manual about 20 minutes. It can work on its own battery, but apparently that's only in case the power goes down. So it's just for safety, so it doesn't fall. So let's see it in action. So it has a remote as well from where I can control it. It's quite loud, by the way. It's like a vacuum cleaner. So let's see. It is recommended to first do a dry cleaning session to take off the dust, and only afterwards do a wet clean. So you just need to press for 2 seconds on the on-off button to turn it on and off. And at the moment, yeah, you still need a human to move it from one frame to the other. Okay, so now for the wet cleaning. What I've done is that I've taken some of my window cleaning substance and added it in the small container that came with the product. And I'm gonna add a few drops of this inside the robot. The robot has an opening here, and I added some warm water, and I'm gonna add a few drops of the window cleaning substance. And you can see it looks pretty nice, except at the corners where, like my Roomba, it is round and can't reach right to the corner. I'm switching the wet ones with some new dry ones so that I can first dry clean my other windows and then turn back to the wet ones. Secured it from here. The cool thing is that now I can reach areas that I wouldn't be able to reach otherwise. That is pretty clear in this area where I didn't clean for the past 3 years because I couldn't reach it. And by the way, all opinions are my own. I was not paid to review this product. I got this amazing robot as a farewell gift from my previous job. I'm gonna continue cleaning the windows, or Sophinique will continue cleaning my windows.
and I'll probably make a follow-up video summarizing some other features of the robot. But also, if you have specific questions, put a comment in the comment section below the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. Bye!